Dito na naman tayo sa Costco. Tingin-tingin ng gold. It does really pretty, honey. It is really pretty. Pakaganda niya. Han, look this one, Han, oh. $1.28 carat round diamond band. Napakaganda niya, guys. Papalit natin isa yan. Ang gwapo siya. Look, Han. It's pretty, ano? 18 rope necklace made in Italy. Here. Yellow gold, 1.28 carat round diamond.
The $14.99 one?
That's pretty.
Not really.
Really? That one is pretty too.
I don't know. Why do you like those?
I like. You wanna say the one that I really like? This one is pretty also. This one I really like. You see that?
What?
But no. We're gonna see the fold, honey. Oh no. Ay, that's an iPhone.
Oh, really?
Bayad utang. Oh, okay.
But this one's sale here. Oh, you know what? They will sell this starting.
Is this a plastic, hon? This glass? Yeah, it is plastic.
Pretty cool. We got one like that.
But it's not white.
Not like that, honey. It's plain.
Similar.
It's similar. Look at this, 119. Oh, that's a good price, hon.
Yeah, but see, this shit always goes on sale.
Uh-huh.
You just gotta pay attention.
This one, we got that already. We got it in Aldi, right? Yeah, we got that. The one that I wanna buy again is the Walk. Stainless, ano? Oh, they got this one here too, my love. Ang ganda ng mga plato. Yeah, come on. 20 pieces. It smells good. Come on, baby girl. Kaya in a different way, honey. We should gonna be there in the other aisle. Han. Parang same sila sa ano namin, bold. Pero yung sa yeah, parang ganito din yun. Ay, hindi. Mas ano to siya, mas marami siyang compartment. Heavy duty kasi to siya, guys. Maganda. Tapos hindi namin to madadala sa Pinas. Ibibigay lang namin sa Lifetime. Mahal. Yung nabili ka namin, 700 yun last time. 700 plus. Mas malaki. Maliit pala to. Mas mahal yun sa amin. 700 to 8.
Yeah?
Yeah, but ours is taller.
No, it's the exact same one.
Are you?
Exactly.
No, inside is not the same.
They just reverse the way they got it set up. You could set it up either way.
Oh.
This one doesn't have drawers though.
I told you, it's not same.
The size is exactly the same.
Oh, okay.
Same manufacturer, same everything.
Yeah, but same different price.
Yeah.
I think the other one is...
Oh, I got mine. See, like those, if they don't sell them and they have them here for a long time, they'll discount.
How much did you get the...
I fucking stole that. It was like 300.
Oh, wow. That's good. Tayo ng sapatos, guys. Kasi yung sapatos ko, guys, yung anak kong lalaki. Ah, yeah. This is little. Maliit to siya. May ganito na ako. Black. Ito ba? Pero may black na ako siya dyan. Tsaka gray. Tingin ng shoes, guys. Reebok. Okay po ang Reebok. Wait lang. Color at sapatos ko, guys. Ginagamit ng aking anak. Nindot ang Reebok. Let's see the Reebok. White lang kayo siya. White. Reebok gold. Tingnan natin siya, guys. Uy. Yung parang gray. Hold on. 9, 10 tayo. 10. Here, 10. Tingnan natin. 10 kasi ako. Maganda siya, guys. Reebok. Wala lang siya ibang kulay. Baka madumihan yung paa ko. Lady sneaker. Tignan natin. Maganda kasi yung sapatos na nabili ko. Aray. Tignan, guys. Ay, kasya siya, guys. Wait lang. May konting ano pa siya. Allowance. Ay, maganda siya. Aray, saglit lang, be. Natupi kasi. Wait lang. Aray. There you go. Yeah. We're gonna sleep here. Wow, I like this one. You don't like it's plain?
Yeah, I like it.
It can be wear anywhere. I can wear it like this with this top pants.
Blue jeans.
With the blue jeans, the leggings. Huh? No. Wait lang, Han. Ayaw ko kasi ng Puma, guys. $29 din siya. 10. Size 10. Siya na siya 10.5. Kasi nila kulay. Aray. 10.5 siya. Natin to, guys. Ang laki naman ito. Dapat yung 10 lang. Try natin 10.5. Ay, kaba yung pagkaan. Sa ruler, guys. Tignan natin tong shoes. Gusto ko itong bilhan ng papa ko nito ba? Under Armour. Pero alam nyo, mura to sa ano, sa store talaga. Makapiright ka. Lagot. Look at the shoes. This is woman's shoes, honey, right? Woman's shoes. Huh? Woman's shoes. But look at the price, $60. Are they good?
Does these look cute, Di? They're really big.
Ang mahal niya naman, guys. Last time gusto niya akong bilhan ng sapatos na worth of $100. Pero ayaw ko. Kamahal ba ano yun eh? Gusto ko siya kasi ganito, guys. Oh. Ano lang siya ba? Hold on. I know, just wait. Mommy's looking for the size 10. Size 10. Oh, wala na siya ingana. Wala nang ganito. Wala na yung ingani nga color. Hurot na. Wow, manggod siya color. Gray. Hala na, mag-copyright. Mapunta niya lente. Sit down, baby. Ito lahi po siya. Men's man ata ni. Sige na. Tangin tayo ng iba. Dito. Tingin tayo dito. May mga sapatos agad doon. Tingin tayo dito. 49. Hold on, baby. Na 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 waterfall. Na 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 na. Ay, maliit na size yung andito. Wala siyang 9. At ay, pang bata man dahil for kids. Kids siya for kids. Halo for kids. Gusto ko to pero masakit to sa paa. Sakit, nakabili na ako ng ganyan online. Tingnan tayo ng iba. Dito sa ruler. Dugu. Itong manghudan ni very large. Medium pala ito siya, medium green. Para sa kapatid ko na laki. Sit down, baby. 5 siya. Green. Maganda siya, diba? Green. Uy, makapiray. Pwede na ako papa. Ano siya, large. Dako ra food. Large kay papa, dako ra. America. Green. Ito na ako kung papa. Yan eh. Army green. American Eagle. Eagle. Basta. Pababae. Pwede ko kakuha? Ako, ano? Medium. Tag $5 lang siya. Black Bayan box na to ba? Medium. Na, nagkalo-kalo ng isa. Tingnan nyo, guys. It's okay. Hold on. Hold. Oh, it's okay. Just hold. Meron pang iba dito kulay. Oh. Tingnan tayo. May iba pang kulay. Iba yan. Na-CCR ako. Maganda tong gray. Oh. Maganda ang gray. Palit ko as pasa ko. Palit na ako. Nakuhaan yung gray. I love. Saan siya? Tag 5 lang ang good siya. Nahulog ka. Namula ako nahulog ang cellphone. I wanna go in the bathroom. Home. Hindi naman. Hindi po niya siya. Oh. Try na ako. Tari siya ako ah. Dog Bless America. Small. Pakita na ko kay daddy. Siya pink. It's $5, $6 ba? It's pretty, right? I got it for Papa. I go in the bathroom.
What?
I'm gonna go in the bathroom. Look at the shirt, Han. I got the small is mine. Ang dami siyang magaganda, guys. At punta muna ko ng van. Ay, Han, I need my bag. Because I'm going to change too. Honey, don't keep Don't keep walking, and I need my bag. Magpapalit din ako ng kasi meron ako ano nito, guys. Madami kang pagpipilian. Pakita ko sa inyo. Punta muna tayo sa bathroom. Hindi ko na talaga mapigilan. Nasi-CR na ako. Doon makapiright. Mapuntaan niyo eh.